Merry Christmas from Limnara beach in Ayia Napa, Cyprus. So last time I was here, it was 1st of September and it was end of the day, and I show you the beach in the dark. So right now I wanted to show you also how it looks like during the day, but on a different season, because it is 25th of December today, Christmas Day. And I want to wish Merry Christmas to all of the people that are celebrating that. So, Merry Christmas, God Jul, Frohe Weihnachten, Kalo Christugena, Sreken Vajik. So, yeah, I'm exploring Cyprus for the Christmas holidays this time of the year, and I'm staying here for 2 weeks. And I already did 2 beach adventures on this very same day when I visited the naked beach at Amos Kamburi and a nudist beach not so far away from here. But this one is a normal public beach that I wanted to show you once again. I'm on my way to the Blue Lagoon that I'm gonna visit later. So I need to speed up in order to catch the beautiful sunlight over the Blue Lagoon. So yeah, this is how the beach looks like. It's quite big, to be fair. There is even a cat here that is hiding from the shadow of my backpack. He will get some food later, some of my sandwich. I hope he eats bread. The cat, I mean. So yeah, it's quite big, and there are very few people on the beach today. To be fair, there weren't that many when I was here, but it was at the end of the day back then. So look at the water, isn't it beautiful? And the sandy part of the beach, and there is a hotel slash apartment complex over here. Here we have at the entrance mix of sand and rocks, but that's okay. It's still great water temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, which is a lot for this time of the year. And it is 21 degrees Celsius in the air also. So perfect Christmas day to enjoy on the beach. There are some fishermen I see over there, as there are plenty of fish in the sea, of course. And yes, this is day 5 of my Christmas slash New Year's 2-week vacation in Cyprus. And I'm staying in Ayia Napa, but I'm gonna explore also further cities later on. Now I am mostly focusing on Ayia Napa and Protaras on these first few days, as it is Christmas holidays and there are less buses that go around the island. So yes, it's time to dive in. So let's go! Amazing, amazing. What a beautiful Sunday today, 25th of December. Well, now that I think of it, it's actually Monday. I got lost track of the days. Yeah, it must be Monday, yeah. So wonderful Monday, 25th, and good that it's a red day, so I can explore and enjoy this Christmas day, a national holiday in many countries around the world. So that's a wrap from Limnara beach here in the Ayia Napa, Cyprus, as I'm heading now towards the Blue Lagoon. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!